Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We know that the square root that is about e to the power of s with the power 1 over 2. So for this one, we can put into e to the power of s over 2 because 1 over 2 multiplied by s and you got about s over 2. So this one we can write into for e to the power of negative s over 2 ds. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to negative s over 2. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides and you got about the u equal to negative 1 over 2 ds. Because we don't have negative 1 over 2, so we put this one go to the left. This one we change by u. The s we change by this one. So negative number 2 with number 4, you got about negative 8. The integration of e to the power of u du, you got about e to the power of u. And we put about c in here. About u, that is about negative s over 2. And this is the final answer. Question number 2. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Now if we do first derivative for the both sides and you got about the u equals to 3s squared ds. First derivative of s to the power of 3, you got about 3s squared. So this one we change by u. 3s squared ds we change by du. Now we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. So we have the formula that's about u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 and we put about c. Now we can apply this formula in here. And we have 5 over 5 and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.